Let's see the set functions: union, intersection, and the difference. So let's say we are having a set car, bike, and let's say we are having a boat. So let's say we are having set B, in that we are having mm, hero and say KTM, and we are having a set C equal to hero, KTM, and the third one is BMW. And let's say we are having a four set, that is KTM, BMW, and Honda. So now we want to union A dot union B. Let's say it is E, and we want to do union E union C, and we want to print this. So what will be the output? Let's pause the video and think about it. What will be the output? We are having A, and then we are doing union with B, and we are saving it to E, and then we are union E with C. So the output will be the whole A set, then the whole B set, and the whole C set. So the output will be like car, bike, boat, hero, KTM, and BMW. Hero and KTM is repeating in B and C. So the set does not have duplicate value. So it will be having one hero and one KTM, and the other ones will be ignored. So let's print this. So here we are having hero, bike, boat, KTM, BMW, and car. This is the union of A, B, and C. So let's say we want to print intersection now. So for intersection, we will use E equal to intersection of B dot intersection with C. So if we intersect with B with C, and then we will print E dot intersection with D. So pause the video and think about it. What will be the output? We are intersecting with B and C. So the output should be like hero and KTM. But then we are having intersection with E dot intersection with D. So the output will be only the set with the KTM. So let's print this. We are having set, and the value in the set, that is a string, is KTM. So this is how we can work with intersection. Now let's see what is the difference function in the set. So we will use the set C and the set B for difference. So we will use C dot difference B. So this will be C minus B. So the all the element that is appearing in C but not appearing in B will be the output. So uh, we are having Hero, KTM, and BMW in C, and Hero, KTM in B. So Hero and KTM appearing in B, but BMW is not appearing in B. So output will be BMW because it is a difference of two sets. So C minus V equal to C all the elements of C, but that are not appearing in B. So BMW is not appearing in B, that's why it will print BMW. So here we are having BMW. So this is the difference function. Now let's see what is symmetric difference function. So we will use symmetric function. So we are now having two sets. So two sets will be B and C. So C symmetric difference B. So the output will be the elements that are appearing in B and C, but the intersection means the items that are appearing in B and in C will be ignored. So will be ignored. So the output will be the items that is appearing in B and C but not appearing in the both. So let's see what will be the output. So this is giving us the output BMW. So BMW is not appearing in both. So this is the output. So we can find the symmetric difference with D also. See symmetric difference D. So let's run this. We are having Hero and Honda. So we are having KTM and BMW in the intersection of these two. So intersection will not be included and the KTM and BMW will be ignored. So the output will be Hero and Honda. So this is the symmetric difference function. So uh, the next is subset function. So is subset function is used to get the subset of a uh, set. So if we have car and bike, so if we find a dot is subset of car and bike, so let's see what will be the output. So it is saying false because we are having here two values, but here we are having three values. So if we say that the set is this, and we will say here A and we will say here B. So car and bike, this set is the subset of A. So is the this set is the subset of A because car and bike is appearing in A. So let's print this and it is returning true. So this set is the subset of A. So it is returning true. Let's say B equal to bike. So we are having bike in this B set. So we will check B is subset. So if B is subset of A, so we'll pass A here, then it will print true. So here it will print true. I hope you understand this. So let's try the other example. We will see update function here. So update function is used with the other sets like B is equals to we will say here we will say um, Honda, Hero, and let's say KTM. So here we are having a set A and a set B. So we want to update the set A and we want to update the set A with B. So let's see what will be the output. So here it is returning none because we are printing this. We need to print A now. So the set A is updated and the values in A is bike, KTM, Honda, Hero, car, bot. So this is how we can update a set. We can also pass a list in this. So if you want to uh, update the set with the value like cycle and plane, so we are having a list. So it will also update the set A in the cycle and the plane values will be added. So here we are having boats, car, cycle, bike, plane. So this is how the update function works. I hope you understand the set functions.